So go ahead and describe what we're doing here, and then we're going to go over and do it.
Okay. You want me to point out the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to try out these microwavable pork rinds. How do you say it?
Rinds?
Rinds. Yeah. Don't know how to say it.
Chicharrones. Hot and spicy.
Mad, mad monkey man. Mad, mad monkey man.
So microwavable? That sounds awful. Do you remember how much these cost?
I do not.
$1.29.
Oh, that sounds amazing. He's making
Okay.
a video on our video. Yes. I'm making a video of our video.
Great. Why don't we
I should turn this.
go ahead and take that to the microwave now?
Give me that. Let's go. Goodbye, camera. Pull down my shirt.
This is our employee break room.
Yeah.
Why don't you show them pop that in. Once that's in,
Okay.
give them a tour of the employee break room.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense, yeah. Oh my lord, those feel huge.
It's like a thing of popcorn.
Oh God.
Pop one?
No,
Why?
it just slid around.
Okay.
Hi there.
Oh, that is delicious in there. So you want me to just put it for 90?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because I was just about to put it in for the popcorn time, which is like 3 minutes. That's a lot.
Okay. Give us a tour of the employee break room.
Okay. So we have an island. That's really cool. This is a sink, and then we have a cocoa machine, and a
Coffee machine.
Oh, so don't
that is
forget
really
about
fast. And there's a coffee sign up there.
pots.
How do you plug it in? There you go.
Mila.
That's all it does.
Oh, Dom, don't forget about the pots.
And then the Nespresso machine. The hots? There's a bunch of hots. And it's broken.
I'd like to point out that this house, in the event of an earthquake, will murder someone.
Oh yeah, we'll kill someone.
It absolutely will. Everything in this house is like gingerly balanced on the edge of falling all the time.
Well, yeah, because look who's in it. A ginger.
Oh, child abuse! Child abuse on camera! YouTube child abuse! YouTube!
Stinks.
Yeah, it's pork skin.
Oh, god damn it.
Ow!
Guys, it smells really bad.
Wait.
I can't.
Oh,
So heavy. Oh, that smells so bad.
Okay, back to the setup.
Oh, look at this.
Oh God, I don't even know if it's cooked all the way. Okay, scooch.
It feels so soggy.
I've got the bulk can. Oh, it's smelling like the house.
Oh, sweet, there's a cord here.
I've got the bulk can.
Ta-da. Come on.
Get my butt pocket. Oh, it's mine.
Brendan, get back on camera.
The bulk cannon.
That's my son.
Okay. Oh my lord, it keeps sinking. Can I, but I'm just, God. God can't save you.
I don't know if I think it's supposed to be inflated more, but whatever.
Is it gone? Okay. I do not think this is right. How do you open this? Oh God. Oh God. Looks like the chips, but
Wow, it does look. It looks right.
doesn't smell like that.
Whoa.
Let me go play.
No, just pop one out and try it.
Okay. Hot.
Hot,
Wait,
spicy.
I'm gonna wait so I can dink it.
Is that bread or popcorn?
You mean
Smack it.
Smack it. Yes, not dink it. Dink it. I don't even know what. You trying to scrape mine off? No, now you can snack.
Now you can smack it and smack it and smack it and smack.
Actually tastes like a popcorn. Oh God. Oh God.
really?
This is my castle.
Let me hold that for you.
Magic. Now look out of my castle.
The aftertaste
Tastes like
is
pork rinds.
disgusting. Oh.
Yeah, not a fan.
Oh God damn.
No, what's the verdict, guys?
Disgusting.
I'd say if it wasn't spicy and it didn't have a weird flavor like the original, that would have probably been fine.
It is a weird flavor. Our
But
house does smell. It smells like fish and pork skin and man butt.
I'd say it's no go. Wait, did I just start up here? I meant. Can you not sit on my feet?
I wouldn't try this.
Paper.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, I'd recommend trying this sometime. It is like the best type of
I'd
cook.
say if you like chicharrones, then you would like this. Especially if you like them spicy. Alright.
Now here's a cut to me stuffing popcorn into my mouth. Was that funny?
We don't have footage of that. Okay, so
See ya, guys.
Wait, no, not yet. If you have videos,
suggestions.
yeah, if you have suggestions, like whatever this was called, the Parkheims,
Yeah.
then leave in the comments below, and we will try it. And
you get it.
if you tell us the first person to give us a idea, will get their name on our wall for one episode. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please click the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.
Check us out on social media in the links below.
And maybe check our Patreon if you want to help support the channel.